In this video, we delve into the new AI technique from Wondershare Virbo that can transform your product marketing, the AI Montage Maker. Let's get started by exploring how you can use Wondershare Virbo's AI Montage Maker to quickly generate eye-catching marketing videos in bulk. Whether you're a business owner promoting products or managing social media campaigns, this tool will save you time and effort. Once you've downloaded Wondershare Virbo from the link in the description, open the app and select AI Montage Maker from the home screen. You'll have two choices. You can either upload your own media files and key information manually for full control over your content, or use Analyze URL feature. This option allows you to simply paste a product link from platforms like Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or eBay. Virbo will analyze the URL and automatically pull product images, descriptions, and other important details for you. After the analysis, customize your video by clicking on Create a Prompt. This is where you can refine the video for your specific marketing needs, specify the platform you're targeting, the product name, and even the video's focus. Include details like product advantages and your target audience. Next, select the aspect ratio, duration, and language for your video. You can also decide if you want to include an AI avatar with a voiceover or simply stick to a voiceover alone. Click Generate Video, and within 2 minutes, Virbo will present you with 3 different video options to choose from. Select your favorite, and if you want to tweak the visuals or audio, hit Edit to adjust avatars, subtitles, and music to fit your style. Finally, once you're satisfied with your video, click Export and your high-quality, performance-driven ad will be ready to go in minutes. If creating video ads just became a whole lot easier, maybe your like button feels the same. And if you're thinking about the next step in your marketing journey, subscribing might just be the boost you're looking for. Try out Virbo with the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.